Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set switch off password in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Okay. First of all, try to switch off your phone. Okay. Before that, just see your password. Okay. Here my password is this pattern. Okay, I have already set pattern, so this is also called switch off pattern. Okay, after switch off, if you switch on your phone, it will ask your pattern. Okay, that is called switch off pattern and switch off password. So remember your pattern. Okay, if you have not set any pattern, try to set your pattern or pin or password or anything. Okay, just set. Okay, that will be the switch off password. Okay, now I switch off my phone. Just press power button and volume up button together, and switch off menu will appear. That is power off menu appears, and click on power off and phone will be switched off. To switch on your phone, when switch on your phone, it will ask switch off password. Okay, long press this power button and phone will be switching on. Just wait. So to enter into your phone, you have to give your pattern. Okay, listen carefully, look, just wait. Vivo 5G is loading. Yes, it is loaded. Now it is asking you to enter your pattern to load into your phone. Okay, so this is called switch on off password. Okay, yes, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.